Hey guys, this is Dan.
And I'm Chris with Combative Airsoft, and we just want to wish everybody out there a Merry Christmas.
Make sure you drink a lot of eggnog and go egg Matt Barsanti's house.
Oh, by the way, Matt, Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah, Matt.
Definitely. So we got a little setup here for you guys. We're going to have a little bit of fun with some unwanted Christmas presents and Matt's mini tree. And we're going to share our happy times with you guys.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and have some happy time.
Merry Christmas!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And to Matt Barsanti, Happy Hanukkah. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on Christmas. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on Christmas. Jingle, 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 Feliz Navidad, da 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 da. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Da 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 da, Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Da 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 da. Merry Christmas! I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas! I wanna wish it could be what you wanted. Big box of meat! Merry Christmas! CAT!
Alright guys, us here at Combative Airsoft, we hope you get plenty of airsoft guns for Christmas.
From Airsoft Station. And we hope your Christmas wasn't exactly like this one. Hopefully it's going to be a little bit better and you guys get more presents. And not busted ones like that.
And hopefully you didn't fall on the boxes like that.
So I want to thank you guys for watching. We both want to thank you guys for watching. Everybody here at Combative Airsoft. We want to thank all our sponsors. We want to thank everybody subscribed, all the friends, everybody that watches our videos, rates, comments. And I can't feel my hands. What about you, Dan?
What?
So guys, have a great holiday. Merry Christmas.
And to Matt Barsanti, Happy Hanukkah.
Definitely. We'll see you guys later.
CAT!